welcome back to my channel. We're gonna rush over to Resort World for lunch. They got a new Southeast Asia market, and I'm excited to check it out. Some new Asian food maybe I didn't try before. Also, Resort World, they have this big kind of globe attraction. It's like a video screen, and I'm really excited to check that out. So come with me, check it out. Let's go. So this place is like, wow. I ordered some brisket fried rice from this Texas barbecue behind me. So I'm excited to try that. In a few minutes it'll be ready. But wow, this place is super cool. Check it out. Brisket fried rice. So here it is, guys. Check it out. Well, that's Resort World. They got that big sphere thing. They got a food court that's got a lot of different, mostly fusion Asian American, and then the food was good. I didn't eat too much because I'm gonna be going to a wedding in a bit, but next time I want to try the noodle. One of the guys said it was about an hour wait. It's just super popular. Well, I recommend it. Come check it out. Until next time.